Did you know that the secret to a restful, rejuvenating night's sleep might be just a flick of a switch away? Red light therapy, a once skeptical realm of alternative treatment, is making waves in the world of sleep science. Imagine sinking into a deep sleep not by sheer exhaustion, but through the calming glow of red light. Our body's internal clock, the circadian rhythm, governs when we sleep and awaken. It's remarkably influenced by light, particularly blue light from screens, which can upset our sleep-wake cycle. Red light, however, is different. Unlike its blue counterpart, red light waves, longer and subtler, appear to enhance our body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Intriguingly, studies show that bathing in red light before bedtime doesn't just help fall asleep faster. It might improve sleep quality by increasing the duration spent in restorative deep sleep. This phase is critical as it supports memory consolidation, cell repair, and immune function. Athletes in particular have noted not only improved sleep, but enhanced performance and recovery as well. What's fascinating is that red light seems to trigger the release of melatonin without affecting alertness, making it practical for evening use. Compare that with blue light exposure, which suppresses melatonin, potentially leaving you tossing and turning. Switching to red hues could thus mean fewer groggy mornings and more productive days. While more research is always welcome, the current findings suggest red light therapy may be a natural and effective tool for optimizing sleep. As science shines further light on this subject, perhaps the soft amber glow will be our new bedtime companion, guiding us towards restful slumber. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of sleep, could red light therapy be your key to unlocking deeper, more restful sleep cycles? It might just be time to find out.